Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been blowing up everywhere. Glass skin. No, this isn't just for the ladies. Fellas, if you want to seriously level up your appearance, getting that clear, radiant, almost transparent-looking skin is a game changer. This is the ultimate guide to look-smaxing your skin. So grab a notepad and let's get started on your glow-up journey. First things first, what even is glass skin? A term from Korean beauty that describes skin so healthy, hydrated, and smooth that it looks like a piece of glass. It's not about having zero pores or being flawless. It's about achieving the healthiest skin possible. And the foundation of this isn't some magic potion. It's consistency and the right routine. Let's start with the absolute non-negotiable, cleansing. But I'm not talking about that 3-inch -1 body wash you're using on your face. You need to double cleanse, especially at night. First, you use an oil-based cleanser. This might sound weird, especially if you have oily skin, but oil dissolves oil. An oil cleanser will melt away sunscreen, dirt, excess sebum, and all the gunk that's built up on your face throughout the day. Just massage it onto your dry face for about a minute. Then add a little water to emulsify it and rinse. Step 2 is a water-based cleanser. This is your more traditional foaming or gel cleanser. This step cleanses your skin itself, washing away any remaining residue from the oil cleanser and any water-based impurities like sweat. Look for a gentle pH-balanced cleanser. Harsh cleansers strip your skin's natural barrier, which is the exact opposite of what we want. A damaged skin barrier leads to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. So, be gentle. Cleansing ensures your face is a perfectly clean canvas, ready to absorb everything else you're about to put on it. Next up, X2. This is crucial for getting rid of dead skin cells that make your skin look dull and rough. But overdoing it is a huge mistake. We're not trying to scrub our faces off with harsh physical scrubs. Instead, I recommend chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs. AHAs like glycolic acid or lactic acid work on the surface of your skin to improve texture and brightness. BHAs like salicylic acid are oil-soluble, so they get deep into your pores to clear them out, making them amazing for preventing blackheads and acne. How often should you exfoliate? Start with once or twice a week. That's it. Listen to your skin. If it feels sensitive or irritated, back off. The goal is smooth, not raw. Consistency. Gentle exfoliation will reveal the fresh, bright skin underneath and help your other products penetrate deeper. Now for the fun part. Hydration. 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 This is the core secret to glass skin. We're going to layer hydrating products from the thinnest consistency to the thickest. The first step after cleansing is toner. Forget those old-school astringent toners that sting. We're looking for hydrating toners. These are watery lotions packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or Centella asiatica. Pat it into your skin with your hands. Don't be shy. You can even apply a few layers of it. It's called the 7-skin method in K-beauty, and it floods your skin with moisture. After your toner, it's time for an essence or a serum. This is where you can really target your specific skin concerns. For that glass skin glow, a serum packed with hyaluronic acid is a must-have bits. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin, making it look plump and bouncy. Another powerhouse ingredient is niacinamide. It does everything. It brightens, it minimizes the appearance of pores, it strengthens the skin barrier, and it even helps control oil production. or if you're sitting by a window. UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. They destroy the collagen that keeps your skin firm and youthful. All the hard work you put in with your cleansers and serums will be completely undone without sun protection. Find a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, preferably SPF 50, and use it generously as the very last step of your morning routine. There are so many amazing, lightweight formulas now that don't feel greasy or leave a white cast. Look for Korean or Japanese sunscreens. They are often cosmetically elegant and feel amazing on the skin. Seriously, if you take only one thing away from this video, let it be this: wear sunscreen. So, let's recap the routine. In the morning, gentle cleanser, hydrating toner, a vitamin C or niacinamide serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. In the evening, oil cleanser, water-based cleanser, toner, your treatment serum, and moisturizer. But wait, we're not done. Looks maxing. Your skin isn't just about what you put on your face. It's about your lifestyle. Dehydrated skin will never look glassy. Rave, aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Your diet also plays a huge role. Try to incorporate more antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and healthy fats from avocados and nuts. And of course, get enough sleep. They call it beauty sleep for a reason. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Lack of sleep leads to dull skin, dark circles, and can make any skin condition worse. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. I know this might sound like a lot, but you don't have to do it all at once. Start by nailing the basics: cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen. Once you've got that down, you can slowly introduce other steps like a serum or an exfoliant. The key is consistency. Pollard, if you stick with it for a few months, I promise you will see a massive difference. Your skin will be healthier, clearer, and have a glow you didn't think was possible. This is a journey of self-improvement. Taking care of your skin is a form of self-respect, and the confidence that comes with having great skin is incredible. So, invest in yourself, be patient, and enjoy the process. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to level up your look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.